Hello and happy Columbus Day 2021. Today I'm going to be creating pens for some priests that were newly ordained. Their family attends the parish. The Eichman brothers, they're twins. They were recently ordained by the priestly fraternity. I'm creating them some pens out of, as you can see, olive wood from the Holy Land. As you can see, certificate of authenticity, if I can get it to focus. Here, there you go. Now this is cut from a blank, some olive wood. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. One of the first things I do, of course, is got to cut the blanks out to length. These are already prepared. This is for one of them already. We glue the little mandrels in, or the ferrules. We glue in using a 2-part epoxy. Trying a new process, normally would use a quick bonding super glue, but it gets all over. First thing I got to do is I have got to line this up and cut the blanks and then drill them. That one is not going to work. What did my dad do to the pencil lead in these things? And these are 2 different lengths. So you want to, when making pens, you want to give yourself a little more allowance for trimming off the ends and so you can adjust the tube when you go to put it in. Double check it here. Yeah, it should be good enough. And then we take it over here to the saw and we trim it. Plug your ears, this may get a little loud. Keep your fingers clear of that blade. And there's blank one. Of course, we need a new blade. That one's dull. My dad tried to notch a piece of aluminum. It's the longer one. And then we'll draw the shorter. Just to show you how I do this, we'll turn them on the lathe, but these are kits. They come like this, and then they're press fitted together using this spring press here. It can adjust how far you want it to go in. So grab this here, mark it. That might be a little further than we want to do. This video will remain raw, but just so I can take you along for the ride. I've never shown you how I make pens. This is something we make a number of. They're pretty popular, at least when my dad makes them. Or rather, double check it here. Length, that should be, that's a little longer than I would have liked. Let's try it again here. Alright. There, that ought to be good enough. And then we'll mark an X and we'll drill it in there. Good, smells like cooked olives on the wood, but as you can see, that blade needs changed. And then we'll just go ahead and mark the center here. It's a ruler I keep on the bandsaw, my bandsaw. Just go across the top like this from corner to corner and draw it, although I'm not very good at centering them, as these pencils are kind of wide and they don't like to stay put. Centered. They like to move. There. And then you just drill it in the middle of the X. Go ahead and mark this one. Alright. And then we clamp it up here. Center this up. Let you see this as it's born, created. Want to keep your pressure even, so you keep it centered. Yeah. No, I'm good. My dad asked me if I wanted breakfast. All right. Then we just go ahead and center this up here. I'm going to get my bit. Just take a try run real quick and make sure the point of your drill bit is in the middle. It's not quite there yet. Safety Nazis that are, oh, you shouldn't have your finger under. Oh, I know that, but I gotta hold this thing in place. And lift up and drill a little bit at a time here. Pull out all the debris from it. There's number one. I'm going to save some camera space for number two here.